Hi, my name is Robert, and today I'm going to walk you through a C Sharp application of an inventory system design for Shoprite. In this application, we're going to walk through the manager section as well as the user or the employee section. Um, when you begin the application, the first thing you look at will be the login screen, which self automates to the page for which you're supposed to be logging into as per your user permission levels. So we're going to log into as an administrator, walk through the um, decisions of an administrator, and after which we will go to that of the user. So let's log in into the administrator. So as an administrator, the first thing you log into to see is the overview or the dashboard. And with the dashboard, you will get a pictorial view of all the content available within the system. So you can see we have inside the dashboard, we have a donut chart of the product, a donut chart of the category, and that of the stock. You have that of the sales and the stock and the users in figure, and that of a bar chart for the various category also in the system. Now, this is supposed to give you a pictorial overview of all the stuffs inside the application. Now, as an administrator or a manager, you are allowed to add various products. Now, for instance, let's say administrator would like to add a new product into the system, type the product name. So let's say wheat. I think we already have wheat in the system. So let's say um, maize. Add maize to it. We have maize. Maize will be under the category of grain. Selected various type dates, and we're going to add a description to it. Then you add. Now, immediately you add an account is created and your database is automatically updated. If it's updated, it will show here immediately on your table. So you can see the maze that we just added. Oh, I forgot the AP. And the grain and that of the description. In addition to, we have that of the category pane where the administrator manager is allowed to add various categories to it. So let's say we have that of you have grain, we have beef, we have sugar already in the system. So let's say we can have protein. Select dates for which we included this. August 22, and we give it a definition, a description, sorry. And also it's automatically so you can realize that the protein is here. And so you can also add your new category to it. Same for stock. The various stock will take that of the product's name and category names to take the various users in it. That is the attendants. So you select the attendant, you add your own quantity, select the date, and you can add. So you can see in the system we don't have a lot of stock inside the system. Now we have that of the users as well. You are allowed to create so many users or as much users as possible. You can add the username, the email, the user name, the phone number, the password, and the role, and add a creation to it. And the system will automatically use that of the username and the password for the authentication levels. The final part that we have here in the system is that of the report. Now the report will give you an overview of all the content in it. So you're going to see the total number of products available, the total amounts, the best selling product, and the total number of products out of stock. So he, as the manager or the administrator, is allowed to have a report of the contents inside the system. And basically, that is all that it says for the user as well. For the sake of time, I will just walk in through. Now, for the user, because of his user permission levels, he's not allowed to see that of the user end report. He's allowed to just have an overview, which is pretty much just like the administrator's own, add new products, new category, and a stock. And that is basically all that we have for this application. Thank you very much.